How to reset your iPhone to factory settings. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can erase data and reset your iPhone to default settings or factory settings. So to do that, first of all, open the settings, and then what you want to do is simply scroll down and then go to general. After that, scroll down and there you can see the option transfer or reset iPhone. Simply tap on it. After that, it will basically provide you two different options: reset and erase all content and settings. So you may tap on the option reset, and then you may be wondering you can reset your iPhone from there, but it is not actually the case. What you'll have to do to reset your iPhone to factory settings is simply tap on the option erase all content and sharing. After that, tap on the option continue. Now you'll have to enter the passcode of your iPhone, and now it will upload your data to iCloud. But if you want, you can simply skip this backup and then enter the password of your Apple ID. So let me enter that real quick. After that, tap on the option done or return. Now a pop-up will appear where you'll have to tap on the option erase iPhone, and there you have it. So that is basically how you reset your iPhone to factory settings or completely erase its data. Now you'll have to set up this iPhone from the scratch, or you'll have to set it up for the first time. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.